As business owners, we're asking the wrong question when it comes to artificial intelligence. We're setting the wrong expectations. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to correct that. I'm going to show you exactly what expectations we should be setting and really what we should be doing with artificial intelligence. So let's get started. But before we do, I need you to do me a favor. I need you to share, subscribe, and like the channel below so you can get all these updates when talking about artificial intelligence. Hi, I'm Chris with Niche Your Business, where we help business owners like yourself build out their niches, whether it's insurance, roofing, HVAC, whatever that niche is. We help you dial in that messaging. We help you look at things like artificial intelligence. And today we're talking about how we were looking at artificial intelligence wrong. I had a artificial intelligence coaching call with a client this morning that's coming on board. And one of the things we always go through is when we're looking at bringing on a client on board on helping them with artificial intelligence, we want to get deep. We want to look at what are the problems, what are the frictions. Most people see this really cool tool and it can do these things. They want to jump on it and want to go straight to the finish line. And that's where we fail as business owners. You see, we're looking at artificial intelligence the wrong way. We're looking at it as this shiny tool at the end. Instead, what we should be looking at are what are the problems and the frictions we're having in our business. But here's the sad news. More than 85% of business owners don't know what those problems are and don't know what those frictions are because they're not documenting them. They're not overseeing that sales process to see what frictions their customers are having, to see what frictions their sales team is having. What kind of questions are you getting asked by the phone? How long is it taking your team to answer the phone? What happens when they answer the phone? All these things, we should have all these processes documented, whether it's an insurance agent, roofing company, whatever. Because if we're not careful, if we try to install artificial intelligence into an organization that does not understand these things, all we're doing is making a big problem even bigger. And that's what you want to make sure of, is when you go to implement artificial intelligence in your agency, I want you to do this first. I want you to get your processes together. I want you to understand what problems your team members are having, what problems your customers are facing. And I want you to understand, okay, what friction points. And I'll give you an example here. When we went to install AI for our phone system, it wasn't, this cool AI tool. No, it was, hey, we're missing all these phone calls. It's taking us a lot of time to get back with these customers. Customers aren't leaving voicemails. These were the problems and the frictions we were facing. So how do we solve these? How do we get in touch with all these customers at one time? And that's when we discovered an AI phone system that we use now called CARA that is built specifically for insurance agents. And you can actually find the playlist up here in the corner where I'll walk you through of the different things we're doing with AI phones there. But that's just one example. So it really comes down to a framework when we're putting this artificial intelligence in an organization. And if you've watched some other videos, you know that framework comes down to basically a 4-part process, and that is solving problems, removing frictions, improving the customer experience, and improving the employee experience. So I want you to always remember that when you see that shiny new AI tool that does these features. Look, it doesn't matter if it's got the fanciest features in the world. If it doesn't do what you actually need it to do, at the end of the day, it's going to be a waste of money. And remember, as always, check with the products you're already using. A lot of times, they've already got some AI implemented into them that's going to significantly help you. So this is exactly how you can be successful with artificial intelligence in 2025 and beyond. And this is exactly how you can set your expectations with AI the right way. We want to reverse engineer this, build a framework, build a foundation, then maybe we go and find an AI tool. Maybe it's automation. Maybe it's also a part human that's doing it. Remember, we want to use AI to support our people, not replace them. However, what kind of emotional connection could our team members be building with our customers and our referral partners because AI is able to help them with something? I'm Chris with Niche Your Business. I want to say thank you for watching today's video here on the Artificial Intelligence for Insurance Agencies YouTube channel. Remember, share, subscribe, and like the channel below. And if you're ready to get started in working with us, in the description of this video, you can reach out to me. And we can have a conversation about helping you implement artificial intelligence into your business. Thank you.